If you're running a marketing agency, you know the feeling. The, the chaos. Well, today we're diving into a tool that says it can replace all of that with one single, streamlined operating system. We're going to see if GoHighLevel can really be your agency's all-in-one engine. Okay, let's just be real for a second. You know this picture. You've got your funnel builder in one tab, your email software in another, your CRM, your calendar scheduler. It's this messy web of tools all held together with, what, Zapier and a prayer? It's totally exhausting, right? And if any of this looks familiar, you're definitely not alone. I mean, these aren't just little annoyances. These are full-on revenue leaks. Every single lead that slips through the cracks, every manual follow-up you forget to make, that is cash walking right out the door. It's a huge sign that your agency just can't scale the way it's set up right now. But what if, and this is the big question, what if you could just throw out all that duct tape? What if you could take that whole messy, expensive toolkit and replace it with one single, powerful engine designed from the ground up for agencies just like yours? So this is the big idea we're going to unpack. We're not just talking about a random collection of features. We're talking about a simple three-step system for growth. It handles everything from the very first click all the way to the final sale. And here it is, the whole logic in three simple words: capture, nurture, and close. It looks simple, and honestly, that's the beauty of it. It's about turning all those disconnected tasks you're doing into one smooth, efficient machine. All right, let's pop the hood and start building this thing. Step one is all about capture. This is the absolute foundation for every client campaign you'll ever run. It's where it all begins. Okay, so picture this. You just signed a new client. Instead of logging into 5 or 6 different platforms, you can build their entire front end right here. You can spin up a new landing page, create a lead capture form, connect a booking calendar. You can even set up a new trackable phone number for them. It's all under one roof. So much simpler. Now, once you have that lead in your system, this is where the real magic kicks in. Because let's face it, getting the lead is only half the battle. The real money is made in the follow-up. And that's, frankly, where most agencies completely drop the ball. And we're not just talking about sending a few emails here. We're talking about fully automated multi-channel campaigns. Imagine this. A new lead fills out a form. They instantly get an SMS. 2 hours later, an email hits their inbox. The next day, a pre-recorded voicemail just magically appears on their phone, all without you lifting a finger. You are everywhere they are. Okay, so that automation is cool, right? But what we're about to see, it takes it to a whole other level. I mean, this is something that honestly feels like it's straight out of science fiction. It solves one of the biggest time sucks in any agency, the endless back and forth of trying to book a meeting. And here it is. This is wild. The system's AI can literally have a text message conversation with a lead, understand their replies, find a time that works, and book them directly onto a sales rep's calendar. I'm going to say that again, with zero human interaction. It just happens. Look, capturing and nurturing leads is great, it's fantastic, but at the end of the day, our clients want to see one thing: results. So this last step of the engine is all about managing that pipeline and, most importantly, proving your value. This gives you and your client a totally crystal clear view of exactly what's going on. You can just drag and drop leads through the sales pipeline. You can collect payments with Stripe right inside the platform. And you get a dashboard that connects all your marketing efforts directly to dollars and cents. No more guessing. Hey, and don't just take my word for it. Listen to Kristen Seal from NerdLevel. She's not just saying it's a helpful tool. She says they've built their entire business around it and that they'll never go back. Now that's a statement.
So, everything we've talked about so far has been about running one client's campaign more efficiently. But now, let's zoom out. Let's talk about the feature that lets you stop thinking like someone who provides a service and start thinking like a software company.
Yep, this is the big one. You can completely white label the entire platform, put your logo on it, use your own URL, and sell it to your clients as your software. This isn't just about a new recurring revenue stream. It makes your agency incredibly sticky. Why would a client ever leave you when you provide the core software their business runs on? And you see top-tier marketers like Alex Schlinsky doing exactly that. They're not just using this as some tool in the background. No, it's a core piece of their high-ticket offerings. It becomes this massive value add that makes their agency totally indispensable. Now, when you look at the plans, yeah, the starter plan is great. But for any agency that's serious about growing, your eyes have to go to the right. Look at that bolded text. Unlimited sub-accounts. Just let that sink in. For one flat price, your costs don't go up if you have 5 clients or 500 clients. That completely changes the entire financial model of scaling an agency. So at the end of the day, it's really a choice, isn't it? You can keep buying more duct tape, juggling more subscriptions, and losing a little bit of your sanity with every new client you onboard. Or you can build your entire agency on a single, powerful engine that was designed from the ground up to help you scale. The question is, which foundation are you building on?